Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on this Infinix Hot 20i. So to begin with, connect your device to the Wi-Fi network, then launch the Play Store app, sign in if necessary, then at the search bar type in the Opera query, then in my case this app has been pre-installed so I quickly remove it. Then at the app page, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera browser to get downloaded and installed respectively. As you will see now, it will not take a lot of time. In here, tap on the blue continue button, then decide whether you would like to set Opera as your default app for browsing right from the start. I'll skip this step. And at this final page, you can either customize the permissions and accesses that you will grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.